Hello guys, so today in this video I'm gonna be answering the question, can you view private TikTok accounts without following them? And the answer is simple, it's a no. There's no way to do it, and everybody says you just have to download some app is lying to you. There is no way to do it unless you're like some, hacker. There is no way to view private TikTok accounts without actually following them. So as you can see here, there's this private TikTok account and there is no way to view their posts without following them. There's nothing you can do there. There's no secret technique to do. You just have to simply follow them and wait for them to accept you, for you to view their posts. You can try making a fake account and following them on that if you don't have or if you don't want them to know that you're following them. But that's like the only thing that you can do, and there's no other way to use some third party website like hacking in TikTok. No, that there's no way. I'll see you next time. Thank you.